This video was made entirely by AI, just text in Adobe Firefly. So first we're gonna start with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna send the link in the description both of ChatGPT and the AI website, which called this time Adobe Firefly. So for this case, the first thing that we're gonna do is to know how to write the best prompt, because we are kind of types of humans and we're not a machine, we're not AI. So I think that the best thing to do is to write the prompt inside ChatGPT, ask him how to write the best prompt as possible. So the prompt that I'm going to write is this kind of specific detailed prompt. So I'm using Adobe Firefly, which is the AI website, and I want to create the most professional looking iced coffee pour shot possible. My goal is to generate a realistic video that looks like it came from a high quality food and beverage photography shoot. I'm asking you, the AI, to give me the best possible prompt with detailed lighting, camera angles, color, and setting, so it understands exactly what I'm aiming for. And let's see what the chat replies to me. As you can see here, the ChatGPT wrote to me the exact prompt that I need to copy and paste inside the Adobe Firefly. So we're gonna take that. We're gonna click on copy, and we're gonna move to the Adobe Firefly, which I said before. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. We're gonna use the text to video feature for this tutorial. Notice that you have only 2 free generations that you can generate with videos, from text to videos. In this screen you can see here there's kind of tutorial to how to use the Adobe Firefly, and on the left side you can see that there are general settings. So let's start with the Firefly video, so we're gonna keep with that. Here you can see there are kind of different type of resolutions, so it's gonna show you this option. I'm gonna choose the 1080p because that's the best version as possible, the best resolution as possible. The aspect ratio, you can see you can have a YouTube kind of widescreen, vertical for reels, and square for posts on social media. So I'm gonna use the vertical one because I want to create something that suits for reels. Related to the shot size, you can see there are so many kind of extreme close-up, which means very close up. It's less close than extreme close-up. Medium shot, when you can see the face. Long shot, full body, and extreme long shot. This is just very wide angle shot. So this is the exact angle. So you can see this is eye level shot, high angle shot, low, top, and aerial shot. So for this case, we're gonna choose medium shot because I want the cup of coffee to look kind of like regular, kind of like when you can see the whole cup, but not really from far away. And from eye level shot because I want it to see authentic as possible and zoom out to look kind of like commercial. Now we're gonna paste the prompt that the ChatGPT gave to us, and we're gonna click on generate. So guys, if you liked the video, please press the like button. I really appreciate it. It really helps me. If you want me to create more AI tutorials, please comment down what you want to watch, which kind of tutorial, and subscribe to my channel to see more of these kind of videos and tutorials, and have a great day.